Hello. So I had a user ask me how to get the bed lining back on a pickup, and this is should work for 1988 through 1995 Toyota pickups. And the way it did it was, I have another video where I show how I took it off. Is it just lays on the bed, and then you have these spots on the side. Let me see if I can get a good shot of one. So you can see the back plate there. I'll try to, and it's just like a U shape. It's rounded on the bottom, then it goes up into the back of the metal here. And I'm not the original owner of this truck, so I don't know if somebody put these holes in or if it originally came like that. If not, this is a really good idea because that's how I got access to these. So I just, first of all, when I had the bed liner off, I disassembled all the hardware, lubed it up really good with some WD-40 and cleaned it all up so it all moved really easy. Then I just took I just used a little drill. It's just a Phillips screw, and with one hand I held up the U shape so it'd be up to the back of the pickup bed, and then I just simply tightened this down gently until I got them all put in, and then I snugged them up. And so that's all there really is to it. Now on mine, you see that one screw right there was in the middle, and I don't know if this is originally how they came or not, but I didn't have access to that one. So that, if I remember right, was the first one I did just because it was hardest. So I put that in, and because it's all plastic, I could bend this out, reach in, get that one on, and then all the other ones I could access through those holes. And I'm starting to wonder if it looks like that's where it goes, and the reason why I say that is if you look at the way they're kind of divoted out, almost like that's where they probably went factory. I know that whoever did this, I don't know again if they cut these out, but this is nice because I can access if I want to put a tie down there. And I think the purpose of this is so you could reach in there and hold that, so you can do that. Anyway, so again, I just laid the bed on and just went down. There's only 6 of those little screws and U-shaped bolts holding it on. That's basically all there was to putting this back on. So if again, I don't know if that's how they are stock, but that's how mine was. So hope this video helps you out if you're trying to figure out how to put your bed lining back in. Thank you for watching.